Alright, what's good, you guys? A new fucking day. New day for this shit. What the fuck? Sorry. My bottle looks like it's whack. Anyways, new day. Day 45, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. I always gotta check. Day 45. We're on 45 days of this shit. I don't know, I need to come up with a new intro. I need to come up with some new shit. So I'm gonna plan a lot of shit today. But anyways, let's get into it, because market open is pretty soon. We're going now. So let's just watch. Let's just look. We're gonna mark this all out together. Let's see. So we've got Friday. Where's Thursday? Thursday 6. So we have Asian session high. It looks like the same kind of setup from yesterday. Asian session high. That's also, this is Asian session low. Okay, so that's also our swing high, swing low. Because we have sell up here and buying down here. We swept buying. Looks like we might want to go back up and take out all of this relative highs here. So maybe we can expect market open to do that. Possibly. I'll wait for the 1 hour closure, and then whatever that is, then I'll go. We do have a fair value gap right here. Hold on, let me just mark out these kind of things. We have a 1 hour. We have a 1 hour bearish fair value gap. Just my dad texted me. Yeah, so we've got that. All right, let's mark out some highs. So we have a high to low. We have a high right here. Or no, we want lows to be, I don't know. High to low, high to low. Okay, so we want market open to sweep this low, because this is the only relative low. I mean, we do have this. It's not center. Now it is. That's a low. That's a low. That's a low. So let's get price to sweep all this, both of these here, and then we'll go back up and we'll target Asian session high, or just these relative highs. But it sucks because we do have a imbalance right here. I don't know if we inverse it, because we respected this one. This one was respected, and then it wasn't. But then that wasn't respected. Jesus. A bunch of shit just came out of my mouth. But yeah, we can just really expect something, at least. Sorry, this is all my creatine and electrolytes and shit. But yeah, this is gonna be our markup for today. Let's kind of see what happens. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. So that's a 4 hour high, that's a 4 hour low, high and low. So that's a low as well. So on the 4 hour, it looks like, you know, we're on an uptrend. We're on an uptrend. We're building ourselves back up to this spot here. Because I remember we were in that order block. Remember from here before? So maybe we can, but we're also in a bearish fair value gap right here. But we've been inversing all of these. You know, we inversed this one. We kind of respected it. Then we pushed through. 4 hour. Oh my god, that's pissed me off. We'll get rid of it though, because it's not a big deal, I don't think. This was last week. I remember or 2 weeks ago. I remember when we looked at it. But we can see, you know, high, low. High, low, high to low, high to low, high to low. Let's sweep this and take out the highs. Yeah, we're bullish. Let's fucking trade today because it's pissing me off big time. So, yeah, I'm going to let you guys know what we do. I'm expecting in 2 hours this to close, you know, to close back here, and then we take off. Because people are going to go to the 1 hour and say, oh yeah, we're bearish. Let's be bearish. But we have market open in 4 minutes. See, look at that. We got a closure here. Let's take out these. Unless we just keep pulling up. If we keep pulling up, but if we don't respect that, then I'll probably maybe take a long here. And we can definitely target that. And let's try and get our account back to what we had before because it's pissing me off. So yeah, I'll let you guys know. I'll see you guys later at the charts, what we do. Yeah. So yeah. Peace. See you after. See you at the chart. What's good, you guys? Hold on. What a day. I am exhausted, and I am fucking exhausted. Oh. I just got back. No trade today. Holy shit, I'm trying to wake up after that yawn. No fucking trade today. Again. This is pissing me off. I gotta change something about this. This weekend, I'm gonna fix so much stuff here about all this. I'm gonna change schedules. I'm gonna fix everything. There's so much stuff that I need to fix. This is actually getting too constant of a thing that's happening. I gotta time block more. I need to find a better schedule for my trading and what works for me. It is the morning. It's just the morning is when I'm the most active and when I can get, you know, the stuff that I need to get done. This is a priority, but my real estate is a priority as well. And I find that there's so much stuff that I could be doing with that. So I got a time block and I got to figure this all out. And it's going to take me the weekend to do it. So I didn't trade today because I was... Every single fair value gap was wrong. And that what that means is major consolidation. That's what happened. That's what happened today. We opened up, we took out highs, and then we came back down and took out a low, swept it, then moved up towards a high, then went back to the same low, down to the same low, up to the same high. So literally we're just going like this. There was no trading today. I couldn't find a good execution. I'd say a lot of people made money off these trades. Possibly, but I wasn't trading. I wasn't trading today. That was not happening. So With that being said, no trade today. I just said that. What can we chat about? What can I talk about for a bit? Like, I want to do this content stuff so bad. But I find I'm pulled back because I need to be so professional in my job as a realtor. And I like that. Don't get me wrong, I like that. Like, I like being professional and doing what I do, but I want to use this as just like a let loose kind of thing, you know? And I don't know if I can. I gotta figure that part out. Like, I want to be how I usually I want to be how I usually am. And I kind of am doing that here. But there's an extent, you know? So, I'm going to figure it all out this weekend. Not really much to chat about here because I'm half asleep, as you can tell. Like, my eyes probably look tired. I'm going in that bed and I'm sleeping for 12 hours. I'm sleeping in tomorrow. I haven't slept in a long fucking time. It's been... Okay, when I say a long time, I mean 5 months? Almost half the year, really. Start of the year is when I really locked in. And I feel like I'm still locked in, but I'm locked in, but I'm not as locked in as I should be. Like, I'm not making progress of the lock-in. That's a good way to put it. I find that I like just to start things and see it develop, but I can't watch it grow. I can't get it to grow. Well, that's not true because I am doing really well with my real estate, but yeah, I can't really figure it out. I'm kind of stuck right now. Not lost, but I'm kind of stuck in the middle of both things that I'm doing, trading and real estate. Now, I'm putting a lot of effort into this because I really want to understand this and I really want to build a good following, a good community of you guys, which I have. I've got 40 of you guys in my Discord, which is wicked. We shoot shit and we do whatever, but mostly I just want to keep doing this properly. Anyways, I don't want to get too deep into it because I could talk forever. As you can tell, I need to go to sleep. I'm gonna sleep in. Now, I don't deserve it because I'm nowhere yet. I'm still only starting. But I think I deserve a little tiny one. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna hurt my routine because I don't really have a good routine. I have a morning routine and then the rest of the day I just freestyle. So that needs to change as well. Anyways, that's gonna be all. We're not gonna get into all this stuff because I gotta figure it out and I don't want you guys to, it don't matter. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep and I will catch you guys tomorrow on probably just a chat. See what's going on, what we can do. Maybe we can edit some things and maybe get some different apps to embed into here, or just do more research on stuff, and we will see. So I'll catch you tomorrow. And yeah, that is fucking it for today. So no trade, let's chat. Talk to you tomorrow. Peace.